Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Katie and I'm documenting my journey to lose 100 pounds. In today's video, I'm going to be making a cucumber rolled spicy crab sushi. And like I probably say 100 times in this video, I have been eating it every single day and I love it. So let's go get to it. Okay, so first I am going to chop up my crab and I am just using imitation crab meat. This is from Aldi. And I'm gonna use this whole 1 pound package. I know I just made sushi in my last video, but this is the same sushi, just slightly different. And I like this version much better. And I'm literally eating this every day. So I figured I would make this into its own standalone video. I read that you're not supposed to eat this after 2 days. So if you chop up all your crab, you can divide it by 3 and make it up for 2 days at a time, or you can just make it up for 1 day at a time if you wanted. I'm actually gonna make it up for the full 3 days because I've done this before and I didn't get sick from it, so I've convinced myself that it's okay, so I'm gonna do it. I am not recommending that you do that, so just do what you think is right. To this, I'm gonna add 60 grams of kewpie mayonnaise, which comes in this little bag like this. To that, I'm gonna add 18 grams of this Sky Valley sriracha. And then we're gonna do 7 grams of lime juice. And I just cheat and use the one that comes in the squirt bottle. And then we're gonna do 1 gram of sesame oil. Since my scale can't do 1 gram, I'm going to leave it at the 7 grams that I have for the lime juice, and I'm gonna add in 1 gram of the sesame oil. And now I'm just gonna grab a fork and mix this up. I have just a regular bamboo sushi mat. I'm going to cover this in saran wrap so that the sushi doesn't get all over the mat. So now that I have my sushi mat covered, I'm going to start slicing off thin slices of my cucumber. And I am just using an English cucumber. So I'm just gonna take a vegetable peeler and I'm going to slice thin slices all the way off. That one's not the best. You wanna try to get both sides of the green so you're not getting a lot of these weird edges. It makes it a lot easier when you're rolling it to keep it all together. So yeah, something more like this where you're getting both edges of the skin. So what you're gonna do is just take your thin slices and you're gonna lay them out on the mat and you're gonna kind of overlap them so that they form a layer across the whole thing. And as you get closer to the seeds in these English cucumbers, it will start to split. So you'll have to flip your cucumber over and go to the other side to get nice strips that don't have any seeds in them. So once you have your cucumbers across the whole mat, you're gonna take a paper towel and you're gonna dry it all off. Just press it down and get up as much of the cucumber juice as you can. This is gonna make it easier to roll and it's gonna make it stay together. Next, we're gonna take some whipped cream cheese. This is just one from Aldi again. We're gonna spread this across the cucumber. I just do 1 serving, which is 21 grams. Kind of acts like a glue to just kind of seal it all together. Next, we're going to bring back our crab salad. Now, since this is for 3 days and I'm the only one that's gonna be eating this, I'm not going to weigh this out, but I would recommend if you're splitting this with anyone else that you weigh it out and make sure that you're only getting 1/3 of this. I get these mini avocados from Aldi's. There's like 6 or 7 in a bag for like $3.99. Okay, so I'm gonna weigh my avocado so that I know how much I've actually put on here. I'm aiming for about 40 grams, but I'm not always gonna get that exactly. So you just slice it really thinly and be careful you're not going through the skin so you don't actually go through your skin as well. I weighed my avocado skin again and it is about 44 grams of avocado. So I'll adjust my recipe just to be sure that it's the right amount of calories being tracked. Now I'm gonna attempt to roll it. I've gotten a little bit better at this, but it probably won't look much better. So you wanna kind of fold the top over and then kind of squish it back. So then you just keep rolling it up and pulling it back and then roll it up, back. And now you have a sushi roll. And I learned from the first time that you're gonna cut it while it's still on this mat. These end pieces don't usually work out very well, so I just eat them. Now I'm gonna cut this and I just very gently go through this with the sharp knife. Mine's not as sharp as it should be. And I just make like 1/2 inch to 3/4 inch maybe size pieces. And I still don't know how they get these from the mat to the plate. So this is just the way I do it, which I'm sure is incorrect. And then to this, I'm gonna add 20 grams of this Kikkoman unagi sushi sauce. So that's 20 grams. And this is it now. This is how I have been doing my sushi lately. I love this. It is so good. I will attempt to eat a piece for you so you can see how much I like it. So I have my plate of sushi. I'll show it to you again. I'm gonna attempt to eat this one-handed. I don't know if I can do this. This really is so, so good. I like a specific sushi roll that I usually get. It's got tempura shrimp and avocado, and sometimes it'll have spicy tuna over the top and just have kani in it, the imitation crab. This really, really helps me feel like I get to eat it all the time. You don't really mind the cucumber. I think it's actually a little bit easier to eat than regular sushi, to be honest. And I can eat it every day. This whole plate only has 405 calories in it. It does only have 17 grams of protein, but I get enough protein with all the other things that I'm eating, so I'm not too worried about it. This is so good that like I really don't care. I'll drink an extra protein shake if I need to. Maybe eventually I'll get sick of it, but for right now, this is on heavy, heavy rotation, like literally every day. So I'm gonna go finish eating this and I will see you guys next week. I hope you enjoyed, and thank you so much for watching. And if you wouldn't mind, like, subscribe. It really helps out my channel, and I will see you guys next week. See ya.